What's up everybody, Andrew here with the Medellin Buzz. In this video, we're gonna tour an apartment here in Envigado. It's on the second floor over here. After that, we're gonna tour the neighborhood. We're 2 blocks away from the Parque Envigado. I love this neighborhood. Let's go. As we open the door here and go through it, we see that this is the living room area. There's a kitchen table right back there. We're gonna hang a right and go to the balcony, which overlooks Envigado on the east side, and just down this road, 2 blocks away, you're at the park, which is a great location. First bedroom here, and walk down the hallway. There are 4 bedrooms actually, and technically I think it has 5, but I think one of the bedrooms shouldn't be a bedroom. This is a complete remodel. For those of you that don't have vision, when I see an apartment like this, I see something amazing that it could be transformed, right? But a lot of people can't see that. So I do have my links to my Airbnbs. They used to look like this. As a matter of fact, they were worse than this. There were complete gut jobs as well. Redid them so that you could see what something can look like after a $400 per square meter remodel. This is the first bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms in here, but we're not going to be able to see the second bathroom because they're using it as storage. They said it's not working. But anyway, the space is marvelous though, because it's big. You have the opportunity to knock down all these walls if you wanted to, because it's an older building. They're not load-bearing walls. So that's a big plus when you're buying these older apartments at a pretty big discount, because they do need to be remodeled. So the big question is, how much does a remodel cost? Well, you could get something cheap done for $100 per square meter or $150 per square meter. Let's say that you did go for $150 per square meter. It would cost you around $19,000 to redo this whole apartment, because this one's 127 square meters. Now, if you want to do it up like mine, then you're going to spend about $300 to $400 per square meter. So that would be about $45,000. The listing price on this one is 550 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about $133,000, depending on the exchange rate when you're watching this. This is a pocket listing. Nobody else has this listing. The seller is pretty motivated, so he's looking to hear offers. So if you're interested in this one, or maybe you want to find something else, make sure to click on the link in the description below, fill out our form, and somebody on my team will get back to you as soon as possible. Now let's go check out the neighborhood. All right, we are in the heart of Envigado, which is Parque Envigado. You've got the church back here. This is the town square where pretty much everything happens. You don't really have to leave this area because you've got restaurants, you've got grocery stores, you've got schools for kids, you've got everything in Envigado. Envigado is the city adjacent to Medellin. It only has 250,000 people, but it's a city. Let's discover some of this area. Okay, one of the things that you must do when you're in Envigado is have one of their empanadas. This is a very famous place here. Una desmechada y un buñuelo, por favor. Sí. Sí, señor. Listo, gracias. All right, take a look at this, guys. Empanada envigadeña. Dang, that's really good. Thank God I'm going to the gym after this. You definitely feel the hustle and bustle when you're in this square, but you also feel like the small town that it is, because it really is just a small town that has grown a lot. In regards to Airbnb and investment opportunities, the closer you are to the square, the better the prices are going to be that you're going to be able to make, the better the occupancy rate, etc. So there is an opportunity here. All right, let's check out one of these pool halls over here around the corner. One of my favorite things to do when I'm in Envigado is to check out these little pool halls. They don't play the regular pool, they play something that's kind of like snooker. It's called carambola. I have a beer, I watch them, I make some friends. These people are awesome. The owner is here, he's super cool. Check it out when you're in here. The upside to owning an apartment in this area is obviously Airbnb. The occupancy rate is going to be higher. The downside is the fact that it is removed from Medellin, So if you do live in Medellin or you hire someone that lives in Medellin to administer your Airbnb, they have to drive out here. So that could be a hassle. But getting in on the ground floor in Envigado for these opportunities is a huge plus. If you are interested, make sure to click on the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on my team will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, let's go buy a toy for my baby boy because there's a lot of toy shops around here. Let's go. All right, we got ourselves the toy. I only came in here for the toy, but I found all this other stuff that I'm buying for the baby. Every time I see a store like this, I get a bunch of stuff for him. That's one of the things I love about this neighborhood, though, is that you can find everything walking distance. It's very flat. It's a very lovely neighborhood to live in. So let me know, what do you think of Envigado? Would you live here? We'll see you guys in the next video.
Carro, cierto, un carro.